What's popping, people? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Today, I did not go to the office after like 3 weeks for the first time.
Hey, last Sunday गया तू?
Sunday कौन जाता रे? Saturday को नहीं गया, हमको Saturday भी रहता. Ride पे गए. This video छोटा सा है. Sriman and Charan will upload the entire motor vlog.
Yeah, because all of us were there. It was me, Charan, Sruju, Sriman,
and couple.
Pranav and Pranav.
After that, we turned off the GoPro and we went to Dynamic Riders. I have done somewhere around 12,000 kilometers and I haven't changed the front brake pads. So it cost us somewhere around 6,500 rupees for both two sets. So usko change kara ke we came back home.
खत्म.
Gundu
हो गए थे. Gundu like my son.
I wanted more progressive brakes, so that is the reason why I researched online, and India mein EBC brake pads were easily available for my bike. So we got it changed to continue this vlog by taking you guys into the flight simulator thing, and jo bhi hai he's planning to take off and show you guys something about it. So I'm going to hand over the camera to him, and I am heading out to meet couple of my friends, and मैं रात में आऊँगा. So from my side, peace boys.
नहीं, सच बोलो तो this follows what he's saying is वीडियो बनाऊँ मैं, एडिट करूँ मैं, बाहर जाके एंजॉय करेगा
मैं.
ये क्या है यार, मैंने घर में ना
I've taken care of the next 2 vlogs, वो मैं एडिट करूँगा.
ये करेगा.
चलो बाय.
तो अगर एडिटिंग में कुछ खास नहीं है ना, प्लीज़ डोंट गाली दो मुझे, बट फर्स्ट चेक आउट. leaving? Okay. So yes. First check out where all we went today. छोटा clip रहेगा. उसके बाद we'll continue with the flight simulator. We will go into the virtual world and go around the Hyderabad airport. Alright, let's go straight into dive into the bike in 3, 2, 1.
What's popping, YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Acha. So today I removed, or at least we are going on a small breakfast ride after so long. At least me and Rohit, we are going after so long, probably after like 120 days. I mean, after Kerala trip I did not remove my bike for a trip. And yeah, biggest Jetka today morning, we actually wanted to take the Ducati and the Truxton, but Truxton ka battery died. So we had to keep it inside, and I'm taking my Africa. I'm actually I should be super happy to take the Africa, but the thing is iska na dono पहिए खत्म, आगे के पीछे के दोनों पहिए खत्म, and the bike is slipping. एडवेंचर है अपन, एडवेंचर है अपन. रोड के नीचे से जाते अपन, बरोबर जाते अपन. वो बच्चों लोग ऐसे ही रहते, हम तो जाते. I cannot bend the bike more because the bike might sleep. Most of you guys don't know this, but combined both Rohit and me, we only have one GoPro, so it'll be I'll start motovlogging for the first half of the video, and the second half of the video Rohit will take care of it. So yes, are we heading to? Not sure. Why are we going? Not sure. Oh, today is Saturday, by the way, and actually hamara generally these breakfast rides are on Sundays, but the thing is tomorrow is an eclipse, and हमारे घर में तो अलाउ नहीं करेंगे बाहर जाने के लिए eclipse के टाइम पर. Long time we ain't on the road now. छोटा सा ride with all the bloody riders or all the bloody vloggers here in our group. Slow down. Time to ride the slow bike now. Ay boy. Okay. Start. Done. Let's all the pose, bros. Srijan is overacting on his Africa twin. You know, as expected, थोड़ा ऑफ-रोड सेशन जगह मिलते ही खत्म चालू कर देता है कमीना. That looks like a monster, dude, in the rear view mirrors. हाँ. రే శ్రీమాన్, did you realize నా పక్కన హార్లీ డేవిడ్సన్ అది? ఎవరు డేకలేదు రా అని. అయిపోయింది చచ్చిపోయిండు. లేదు చచ్చిపోలే. ఓకే సరిపా, బాయ్, సీ యూ నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్. Pranav is leaving. Bye. Guarantee out 1250. Adi okay, that's a different story. But 1250 another easy fixed. Oi appa. మధ్యలో దూరిండు పిచ్ నా కొడుకు స్ప్లెండర్. శ్రీమాన్ బాయ్. So we've switched to bikes again. This is, I think, like the 100th time that we have done today. And we guys are almost home, and hope you guys like this video. Till the next time, love you, take care, and be safe. Bye.
Now that was a very good ride for us. Now that's completed. You've seen where all we went, what all we did. Let's go into the virtual world of Flight Simulator V, taking you guys on a small joyride around Hyderabad airport. So let's go.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Shamshabad International Airport, or Rajiv Gandhi International Airport as they call it. And from the last time you've seen me flying in the simulator to now, there have been a lot of changes in terms of graphics. As you can see, we have much improved graphics at the airport, and the airport replication is almost like the real world now. And this was thanks to a couple of friends I've made on the online community regarding Flight Simulator. And Abdul, huge shout out to you, buddy, and thank you very much for helping me out and sorting out the graphical part of this airport. So as we gonna go, we will quickly run through the checklist, complete all the procedures, just go for a small shorty around Hyderabad to show you how does the aircraft behave. Well, again, it cannot replicate the real world aircraft to 100%. Obviously, end of the day, this is a game. But as a procedural trainer, as a basic understanding of how aircrafts behave, this game does a fantastic job. Like, it can replicate the aircraft close to 70-75%, and in some cases I would say as much as 90%. Hiding the control column, or I'll just explain what each control column does before I hide it. Turning the aircraft like this, is the control column you see, rotates the aircraft to the right. This rotates the aircraft to the left. Pushing it in pushes the nose of the aircraft down. Pulling it towards you pulls the aircraft up into the air. And the bottom on the ground it moves the aircraft to the right, this moves to the aircraft to the left. And the top portion of that, as you see now, is the right brake, and the left is the left brake. On the air, this has no function at all. On the air, if you move it towards the right, the aircraft has a yawing motion to the right, and to the left has a yawing motion to the left. These are again the basic controls of the aircraft. So again, for our convenience, I'm going to hide the control column. First things first, we check the standby battery. Test is complete. Arm it, turn on the batteries, turn on the nav lights, turn on the beacon, increase your mixture, water rich throttle, look out, make sure there's nobody around the aircraft. We are clear on all sides. Crank the magnetos, and the aircraft starts. As soon as the aircraft starts, turn on your avionics and turn on your fuel pump as well. The general tendency of all aircraft which have a propeller on them, if you add power, as you can now hear, the aircraft turns to the left. This is something called as P factor. So all that, if you want, I will explain in a later video. But again, add power, the aircraft will move to the left, as it's going now. Again, with the help of the rudder, slightly push it in to bring it back to the center line. Increase the mixture, make it full rich. Again, mind you, the procedures of each aircraft are different, and I kind of remember the procedures of this because I have flown this aircraft, although it's been like over 10 years now. I still remember it a little bit of the back of the head, and because I fly a little bit of the simulator. Increase the RPM close to 1800. There we go, close to 1800. And we check the magnetos. The magnetos are the keys. First we check and we make sure we don't drop an RPM of more than 150. So we check the left magneto. About 100, that is perfectly fine. Back to both. Stabilized on 780 RPM. Right magneto check. Again 100 drop in RPM. Works perfectly. Reduce power, and you are good. And again, as we're going to enter the runway, we will turn my bad, taxi lights are to be on at all times. You're taxiing the aircraft. Turn on the landing lights, turn on the strobes. And what does each light do again? The beacon at the top, the rear white light is the nav light, the green light on this side, the strobe is the flashing light. The light which I'm turning off and on now, that is the taxi light, and the other one is the landing light. And last but not the least, on this side we have the red light, which is again your navigation light or your position lights as well. Ready to taxi out onto the runway. Again, this is going to be a small circuit pattern. That's about it, showing you guys what an aircraft feels or how does it look on taking off. What are the indications we look out for, and most importantly are your airspeed, your altimeter, your vertical speed indicator, and your artificial horizon, which will all be explained in future videos on what they are, what they do, what measurements they take to provide the accurate information for us. So circuit pattern for this runway, it is runway 27 left, which we're going to take off from. Again, what does that mean is runway 27 left is 27 is the orientation. It faces heading of 270, which is the westerly heading. Left meaning Hyderabad has two runways, right and left. Left is all the traffic pattern, all the aircrafts, or if you're doing a fishing circuit, will be off to the left of the runway. So we'll be departing 27, turning left, and making a box pattern, coming back to land on this runway again. So as you are ready, we can release the parking brake. add power, make sure your transponder and lights are on.